So today I decided to do a little tour of places in Miami that I've not gone to since I've been here. So today I'm actually at the Venetian pool. Unfortunately it's closed because they only have a capacity of 450 people, and once they get to 450 people then it's closed. So I'm only able to stay from the outside and take shots, but this place is absolutely amazing. Take a look. So this is the main entrance right now to the Venetian pool right here in Coral Gables. As long as you come here early, you'll definitely have a fantastic day. As you can see, we are out driving around, taking a nice stroll here. How are you? Hot but nice. Yeah. Coral Gables Congregational Church. Very beautifully designed building for those of you who are into architecture. We're in front of the Biltmore Coral Gables. Very grand structure.